What's up guys, you're watching The Sit Show, and if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today we are going to talk about how to fix the PS4 NP-31739-3 is the update file, games and application. And I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are. Simply you just check the application, press the option button, and here is the update. Check the update. If application or gameplay needs to update, you simply hit this one. It needs to update, go to the downloads, you just simply tap to update. You get here the update. This is the downloading. Your game application is wanted to update, you simply just update. These are updates, system software, applications and games. Everything is just going to update. Here is all the application and games. And go to the settings. Sometimes your update is not working, application is not working, get the error, you just simply go to settings. Here is the settings and go to the down in the software update. Sometimes the software is not to update, that's why the file are corrupted and your application are corrupted, not going to update. So simply you must update and check the DNS servers also. Sometimes the DNS server is not working. So that's how that simply you can fix this error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.